And then if you're like really new, you have to set up your SellerAmp first. So you go to the bottom of SellerAmp, you click here on the settings. And then you click on, or you go to additional cost. And then your prep fee would be $2.20. Your miscellaneous fee would be 10%. This one covers the tax. This one covers your prep fee and your Amazon selling fee. Or I'm sorry, Amazon shipping fee. And from here, you save it. It's save ready. So from here, you just compare your products. So look at the title, the photos, the size, this description. So this one is an original for talco deodorant. Okay, looks the same. Original Profumo talco. Same, right? So this one is 50 ml. This one is 50, I think. All right, there. 50 ml. Same product, same size. But from here, you plug in your cost. So the cost is $7.85. So it's here, 7.85. And the selling price is close to $17. So I would go to the competition and look at the price, right? This one is weird. So 16.89. It's negative, so that's weird. And then if you look at Keepa, yeah, it's about $17. Or you can go higher, 19.80. 80. I mean, at this price, right? It makes sense. Because you're getting like a 24% ROI. You guys see it?
Yeah. I still wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
Personally.
Just because your other competition are, dropping the price, right? So, I mean, this one's up to you guys. What do you guys think? What's the verdict?
I said no.
Yeah, no, right? Too risky. I agree. All right, next. Too risky. Next product. All right. So Blue Cap cream by Blue Cap. Okay. Fine. So Blue Cap cream by Blue Cap. Okay. 50 grams. 50 grams. 50. Oh, it's a lot. Yeah, you guys see a size? I don't see a size. Or like weight, I'm sorry. 50 grams. I don't see it, so. You guys see it anywhere? Or I'm not
I,
seeing it. So.
I haven't seen it yet.
Here, wait. Oh, 10.6 ounces. Wow. We're gonna convert it, right?
Yeah.
Google. Oh, it's so complicated.
Ounces to
So
gram.
10.6 ounce. 10.6 ounce, 2 grams. Oh, about the same size.
Mm.
Okay, so no. So size do not match. 50 grams versus 300 grams. You guys agree?
Yep.
All right, next one. Enter here, wash shampoo. Same, right? Anti-hair loss shampoo. Oh, I think same product, but different packaging, right? So 250 ml. Okay. Looks the same. The problem is they charge for shipping right here. You can see it?
Yeah. Yes.
This one's gonna be about $27.
Yeah.
It's not gonna make sense, right?
Mm.
So no, because of shipping. Next. Yeti Rambler, 10 ounces, stackable. It's the same? It's the same, right? I think yes. Let's say. Okay. Okay. 10 ounces, okay. Ounces, stackable, global. The same? Looks the same, right, guys?
Yes.
What color is this though? Black. Is there a black color? It's black, right? Black. Oh no, it's not. Oh, right there, black, right there. It's black, okay. The same products. Now you plug in the numbers. 20. Variation. So again, with variations, you look for the exact variation. So this one is black, the color black. And then you go to Keepa. You go to variations. And then black. And then 16%, right? You guys see it? So again, black.
Okay, yeah, I had a question about that because I looked for variation the other day and I couldn't see the percentage. So you just have to keep scrolling over.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. And then under ratings, you get the percentage. So this one is 16%.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. So 16% of the sales a month, right? So 1,035 times 0.16 is 165 sales a month. You guys got that?
Mhm.
Yes.
All right. And then from here, you look at the competition. So 165 sales a month shared by these other sellers. Would you guys do it?
I would.
Yeah, it's pretty good, right?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, but I think I'm restricted.
Yeah, it shows
Right
ungated.
there,
Gated.
restricted. Because Yeti's a bigger brand, so manual and gate. Request for approval. So no, I'm not I can't sell this product for short. All right. So good product. Good product. But needs ungating.